Today we're going to talk about how I put the keyway in the pulley. And welcome to Sector T 2008. Thanks for coming today. And if it's your first time here, please click the subscribe button where you find it, or push up or down if you like or dislike the video. That way you can keep updated as we build the do-it-yourself jointer planer. So as you guys know, I used automotive pulleys to build the planer. Here's the other pulley that goes on the cutterhead. And the thing about automotive pulleys is they don't come with the keyway. And I went with the these pulleys because they're cheaper. So I had to create my own pulleys, or keyways for the pulley. So what I used was the drill press, and I'll show you. Take a look. Okay, I'll show you with what I did with the collar stay. See how I put this on. Let's see if we can focus in on that. Okay, see how I placed this piece of supporting metal into the collar shaft, and then I put it in the drill press and created that keyway. After that, what I did is I took a file and filed it down. I wasn't too happy with that because when I personally file it, it's like it's not perfectly square, and the reason is I can't eyeball a reference like a 90-degree angle to make like a square keyway. So I had the idea of using some high-speed steel to maybe broach down on that, but using the drill press, it just didn't work out for me. So I'm happy with that, and what's happened so far is you can see here, and you see if you can see on there, you can see the keyway there. And I've already I put it on here on the shaft that I can't get it off easily right now, but you can. I still haven't pressed it down all the way, but you can kind of see the shaft there, or the key. So I think it's going to work out pretty good. It's just I have a round keyway instead of a square, so I don't get full contact, but I think it'll still work. If you guys are a machinist and you can tell me what might happen if I leave it around like that, I'd love to know. But remember, the way I determined how to get these pulleys is I used my caliber to measure the shaft, and that's what determined what bore size of pulley to get. The dewalt 735 cutterhead, that's a 17mm shaft. So I had to get an alternator pulley with a 17mm bore. So this is going to work out really good for the do-it-yourself jointer I'm building. And then you can kind of see this is the pulley for the motor, and see how it's round. And I've already tried to put it on that shop smith, and it seems like it's gonna fit okay. Let's see if we can. I probably got a little work to go on there. I'll file it a little bit, but other than that, this build's going on pretty good. I was really happy today because not only did I make the keyway for it, but for the cutterhead, I needed to build a little tiny piece of a key. Is like a floating key, and so I used my cutter to just cut a little tiny piece, and it fit pretty well. So that's on pretty good. So the next part of this will be to get these pieces together and do a test run. I just want to see it spin. So that's all I have today. And again, if you want to dislike or like this video, that'd be great. And we'll see you next time. Yeah, I keep on breaking these bits. They're from Harbor Freight. I don't know if it's something I'm doing or what, but that's annoying. But they come in a 5-pack, so, and I got 3 of these holes to make, so. Definitely broke that. But I feel it go all the way through. So let's take a look. Almost got there. It's like barely punching through. That's alright, I got that stuck bit. I broke the bit again. I think I can file that, so it should be okay. Yeah. I think I should be able to file that. Okay. Yeah, let's get it out. Alright. Get the Okay, I have 2 more cuts to go. But I just want to see how I'm doing. You know. Anyway, let's just get moving on. That one's fine. Now we'll do the gear. I only got 1 of these, so I gotta do it right. And let's just see what happens. Change out the bit again. It keeps breaking. Alright.
I feel like when I look at it, it looks like it wobbles, which kind of scares me. But this is all I have, so let's go with that. Now this thing almost looks like it's plastic, I wonder. So I think it'll be really easy. It's made in China, so it's like $10. Alright. So we need, got the 5-foot gear. I don't even think I need this. I don't need this vise. Yeah, that'll go okay. I hope my battery's going out. Okay, let's do this. You can see I got it started, but you can see I got it started, but I think I'll have to do some filing if I leave it like that. I'll try. Okay, so let's take a look. Yeah, we got a keyway. Pretty good.
Okay guys, I wanted to show you how they're coming. Now that, so these are right now off the drill press, so I haven't really filed them yet. These are the two collar shafts. This is the, let's see if we can get that. This is the gear I'm gonna, or the pulley I'm gonna put on the motor. And then this is the pulley I'm gonna put. This is the pulley I'm gonna put on the cutter head.